Welcome to EMANI recipes and review. Today we are preparing the watermelon ice cream. First we have to cut the watermelon pieces. After that we have to grind the watermelon. We are transferring the pieces into the mixie jar. After the grinding of pieces, we are filtering the juice and we will use it in the molds of ice. After that we have filling after the filling the ice, we have to keep in the fridge. After 3 hours ice will be ready. Ice will be ready. Summer specials ice. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment.